a tube with a melon and a chip. Hey. Oh, I broke them. There we go. I got the second melon in. Okay, let me activate it. Ooh, this looks so cool. Why is it red? This isn't good. Wait, who are you? I'm melon. Beep beep boop boop. Beep beep boop boop. Beep. Let's see if this works again. Hopefully I don't damage it this time. It's so creepy when it turns red. What's happening? Beep beep boop boop. Number 2 has been created. Whoa, that's so cool. Wait, it should go to battles. Oh, you are not a melon. Beep beep boop boop. That doesn't sound like a melon. And it sounds more metally. Beep beep boop boop beep beep boop boop beep beep boop boop. Beep beep boop boop. Beep. Beep. Are you that melon 3.0? Yep, that's definitely me. I'm the boss. Okay, let's bring it on, the weakest boss in the world. Really? You call yourself a boss when you just can die at one touch? Ow, let me use my... That was the most easiest boss I've ever killed in my life. Brother, is that you? Brother? I thought you were dead. Hey, but I have something to say. We have to be free, we have to be teammates, but nobody has to know, yeah. So, we are now gonna be teammates, but just undercover, really. Okay, but I have to go now. Okay, bye-bye. Melon, where's your gloves? I don't know where's my gloves, but it was me. Mwahahaha. Okay, that was weird. Yeah. I'm not really dead, it's just a fake arm. Yeah. I'm glad that the boss gave me some fake arms. Don't worry, I'm okay. I'm not really dead. There we go. Let me just use my potion real quick. There we go, that's much better. Huh? Beep, beep, boop, boop.